turn the power switch on. The unit will start filling its boiler with water. When the pump pressure gauge reaches 1.2 and the steam pressure gauge is in the green zone, the heating process is completed. Turn the output volume setting switch on. The first 4 buttons will light up and a 5th will flash. To program the first button, press and hold to begin recording the amount of water you want it to dispense. When the water level reaches your desired amount, release the button and the setting will be saved. Repeat these steps for the remaining buttons. You do not need to program the 5th flashing button. For machines with multiple brewing groups, the settings on the right side of the unit will automatically be copied to the other brewing groups. When you're finished, turn the settings switch off. At the end of each day, you will need to clean your machine. Rinse the reverse flushing silica plate in water. Place the silica plate in the portafilter, add cleaning powder, and attach it to the machine. Next, press the 1st and 5th button to start the auto backwashing process. Once the backwashing is finished, move the portafilter and silica plate and hold the 5th button and run water to clean the portafilter. Do this until the water is clear. After you've cleaned your machine, turn the power off. Make sure to remove all liquids and solids from the water tray. Open the steam knobs to release the steam from the machine. Once steam no longer comes out of the wands, close the knobs and give the unit one final wipe.